Before you, ultraviolet lamp of our production with an output of 140 W, designed to replace the Philips TUV 130 lithoacidic VAF installations. This is a low-pressure amalgam, ozone-free quartz lamp. Its labeling options are listed on the page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. Lamp power 1 to 40 W. Operating current is 2.1 A. Wake power is 48 watts. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 842 mm, arc length 740 mm. The diameter of the tube is 19 mm. The diameter of the base plate is 23 mm. Service life 16,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our bulbs is securely packaged in a cardboard toilet with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of germicidal systems. Lamps, quartz shields, power supplies, black nissels and connectors. Our lamps have a special UVL-LivePower Plus compound developed by our engineers on the inner surface. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.